Hey there, I'm Chris Williams with the Go Getter team, and welcome back for a question session. This is the COVID-19 edition. Question I'm getting from a lot of people who are homeowners right now is, will I lose my home? That's a very important question to ask, and it really depends on a couple items. One is the property owner occupied. If the property is owner occupied, there's a good chance that you'll qualify for one of the programs that the recent $2.2 trillion bill meant to relieve the economy was put into place, or passed, I should say. And the big provision there is people who have federally backed mortgages, which is like Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, Ginnie Mac. If you have a mortgage that's backed by one of those secondary lenders, the government can kind of reach their fingers in and kind of control those a bit. And one of the things that they've issued as a part of the package that they passed was that people could be able to defer their mortgage for up to a certain period of time, or forbear it, which means that you won't have to go with payments. Assuredly, with as many people who will be affected by this, the banks aren't going to want all those houses back at once, that's for sure. The question really becomes, what happens after the economy gets running back, and how will they process all of that? What I believe at this point, and this is just a belief, I don't have it factually yet, it's just kind of what I've heard from the bill from a few known parties, have kind of said that what will happen is they'll probably take on those payments and tack them on to the end of the mortgage or to the principal. Now, if your mortgage isn't held by one of those organizations and it's held directly by a bank, that's a whole nother story. You could be at risk, but I would say to you, again, those banks they don't want all those homes back at once. So, you just want to keep paying attention to how they're processing it. You definitely want to reach out to your mortgage loan holder, your servicer, to check with them to see how what's going to happen if you miss a payment. If you don't have to miss a payment, I would tell you don't miss a payment, especially if it's your first payment, if you just closed on a property, because that puts you in a whole nother realm of trouble, because a lot of the mortgages are predicated on you at least making your first payment. If you got more questions, please follow along with us. We'll be answering more questions going forward. Just click subscribe if you want to be alerted to when this content comes online, and we look forward to seeing you soon.